Hey everyone, my name is Bridget. Welcome to my channel. This is really a place of inspiration, of motivation, of talking about inner kind of creation and how we can use these practices, these techniques, these tools to really create our life from the inside out. I'm a speaker, I'm a teacher, and I host and facilitate workshops both online and in person, really to create community, to cultivate learning, and to just find your people. As many of you may know, that was one of the things that I really struggled with along this journey when I started to want to hang out with people, until 10 p.m. so I could wake up the next morning nice and early so I can start my day on the right note. Recently, I've been hosting a number of circles that are women's circles, and the beauty that has come through in these circles is just life-changing. There's aspects of trust, of vulnerability, of letting yourself be seen and letting yourself be heard, and then having people to hold that space for you. I truly feel that these circles are healing, not only to be able to speak, whatever is going on for you in your life, but to have the people that are there to support you. Because everything is a mirror, when we can support others, we can then support ourselves. And when we can support ourselves, we can support others. So I've truly found that these circles are transformative. And now women have been gathering in circle for really centuries, right? This is not like a new practice, but I am so grateful that this is kind of coming back into our space. We need community more than ever. And this is not just men versus women, but really everyone together. I personally feel drawn at this moment to holding women's circles, but that's not to say in the future that really we could have world circles, because it is about coming together. We have too much separation in the world, and we know, A Course in Miracles, I talk about this on this channel a lot, separation is really just a cousin of fear, and fear is the opposite of love. So separation is really just taking us away from the love that we truly are at the core of our being. Our core essence is love. It is truth. It is beauty. When we were brought into this world, we were all those things. We still are whole, but sometimes we forget. So coming together, joining with other like-minded individuals is absolutely a game changer. I'm hosting a virtual circle on November 5th at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So if you are free during that time, this will be a live call where we're really going to dive deep into what it means to radiate confidence, what it merely means to love yourself. Because many of us have always believed that confidence is like this outer thing, how we look, how we dress. I want to take it deeper and focus on how everything is coming from within. When we can kind of nourish and cultivate that confidence that is already inside and just kind of remember our greatness, then we just shine so brightly, and it is so easy to do when we have this place of just inner understanding, a place where we can connect to something greater than ourselves. So join us on November 5th. Radiate confidence, love yourself. This is a virtual circle. We'll do a little bit of meditation and a little bit of pranayam just to really welcome ourselves into the space. You might see Finny in this video now. I cannot wait to see you there. I hope you guys have the most beautiful, amazing day. Namaste. Right, Finny?